Why accept exception doesn't catch SystemExit. Is instance SystemExit 1, exception, evils to true, but this snippet prints caught by bear except SystemExit 1. My testing environment is Python 2.6.
This instance SystemExit 1, exception, is false in Python 2.6. Exception hierarchy in this version of Python was changed since Python 2.4. For example, keyboard interrupt is not subclass of exception anymore. See more info, this URL.
SystemExit derives from base exception directly rather than from exception. Exception is the parent all built-in, non-system exiting exceptions. SystemExit is a system exiting exception, by definition, and therefore doesn't derive from exception. In your example, if you use base exception, it would work as per your original assumptions.
Your error is in the very first sentence of your question. SystemExit is not a subclass of exception.
If you want to know, this is the